Okay, this video will discuss solving linear equations with one variable, but this time now with multiple steps. So this is a third in a series of videos solving linear equations with one variable. All right, so let's begin. Number one, we have x's on both sides of the equation. All right, so what we need to do here is bring over all the x's to one side. So I'm going to bring 2x to this side and 3 to this side. Okay, now we could do subtract 2x on both sides, subtract 3 on both sides, but remember the shortcut that I introduced before was this. Again, any term that did not move, the sign stays the same. Any terms that moved across the equal sign, the sign changed. All right, so what we have now is a pretty straightforward 2x is equal to 6, and we'll divide by 2 on both sides, and we have the answer x is equal to 3. And that's it for this problem. All right. Okay, and number two, it's similar problem here. Just that here it'll be better if you have moved the m, the variable term m, to the right side. So what we're going to do is we'll move this to this side, and that's so that I have a less number of negative signs. All right. Okay, so if that happens, then what we'll have is 8 plus 14 is equal to 8m plus 3m. Okay, and that will give us 22 is equal to 11m, and divide both sides by 11, and we'll end up with m equal to 2. Again, this is not really the convention, the way we write, and usually it is preferable for you to write m is equal to 2. All right. Okay, and let's see, number 3. Now, number 3, as you can see, you have parentheses. So we'll need to remove parentheses by distributing the -3, and we've seen that before. -3 is going to be distributed, and that will give us -6x plus 15 is equal to 30. Okay, again, it's plus 15 because I'm multiplying -3 times -5. All right, then I will subtract 15 on both sides, and that'll give me -6x is equal to 15. 30 minus 15 is 15, and now I need to divide by -6, and what that will give me is equal to, well, that's going to stay as a fraction, but I can reduce that. Each number is divisible by 3, so -5 over 2, and that should be the answer. Okay, and the last problem. All right, so this one got more stuffs happening, as you can see. So let's just clean this up. So I have 4r plus 11 is equal to 5 minus 6r, because I'm doing -2 times 3, and minus 6. All right. And before I start moving terms over across, I'm going to clean up my right side, and that which will give me equal to -6r minus 1. Minus 1 from 5 minus 6. Okay, now I'm going to bring this over, and that will keep my r term positive, and bring the 11 over. So what that will give me is 4r plus 6r is equal to -11 minus 1. All right, which will give us 10r is equal to -12. Divide by 10, and our r, this is a fraction, but like before, we can reduce this. Each one is divisible by 2, so that'll give me -6 over 5. All right.